from the Davao Micro Speed Elite. Number 24, Melvin Vidal. Number 29, Mateo Lucas Scorpio. Now let's welcome the starters from Davao Micro Smith Elite. Number 9, Prince Onig Dudas. Number 10, Floyd Lucero. Number 24, Jacob Vidal. Number 29, Mateo Carpio. Number 32, Alvin Cinco. And coach for the Davao Micro Smith Elite is Andy Herrera. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2026.
At ito na nga ang ating starting five with New York. Berame, Certifico Abrenica, Humawas, Binabaye, Michael Smith on the other hand, Wilfield Carpio, Dudas, Lucero, Sincol, and Vidal. Coach Ernest, what can we expect from this ball game?
Well, it's gonna be a dogfight, partner. No, it's these kids are really impressive.
Here comes the attack. Inside, wala. The rebound, Humawas. The putback, no. And securing the rebound there for Davao is Vidal.
You have to give credit to Vidal as he defends the paint.
Balik sa inyo, Coach Sharon J.
Yun, focus is the key dito. As Binabaye, libre sa tres, wala. Humawas sa Senonit. No, Vidal secures the ball. Develop ko ng mga players in your academy. Ano bang parang the right age for children to start basketball?
Yeah, well, anytime naman, no, as much as possible, mas maaga, mas okay. Tulad na itong mga to, 13 years old pa lang or some are more younger, pero nakakapaglaro na agad sa gantong kataas na liga, international.
Sincol, their main point guard here, kicked out, three-pointer on the way, no, Vidal. And sumabit si Berame, I believe.
So nagkakaroon na ng extra possessions itong Davao Eaglets because of their effort on finding bodies, getting those extra rebounds. So challenge to para sa New York na talagang mag-improvise kung paano nila ililimit yung mga offensive rebounds na yun.
And speaking of
the bigs that are working here to start itong finals championship natin, Humawas and Vidal. Yes. Making things happen for their team.
Vidal. Susugod. Ooh! And one opportunity for Vidal.
Good finish by Vidal as he went up against two defenders, focused on the shot kahit may contact dun.
And Vidal will go to the free throw line para sa dalawang free throws.
And ito din yung maganda dito, partner. Both teams masyadong deep yung lineup nila, no? So challenge din to for the coaches, Coach Mark Herrera and Coach Rod Mark, na maging creative sa mga ipapasok nila. Kailangan balance yung matchup, walang mismatches na mangyayari. And it's gonna help them win this game. This free throw.
At dahil dyan, si Vidal ay nagbabalik for the Davao squad. Magaling pumwesto si Vidal eh.
They are, oo. Itong mga bigs. Rebounds.
Carpio losing the ball on that pass. Scramble here. What's the call? And we have a jump ball.
I'm telling you, partner, effort ang magpapanalo dito. Pero good fight inside the paint by Arkin Dagaraga.
Laps on the defense there.
Creative din sa mga actions niya.
And here comes, oh, the pass, the find. Oh, everything but the shot there. As Vidal almost fumbles. Uy, yun na nga, turnover. Pinilit ni Brenica yun. Vidal colors the rebound.
Pinoy step. No? Effort defending the paint. Libre na naman itong si Vidal.
Vidal nangalabaw. Villegas, no. Nothing there. Humawas. Speaking of, kakapasok lang. Uy, nakariba. Ayun lang.
Amazing tag defense by Davao Eagles as they limit that fast break. Ang pinakamaganda doon, nakapag-force sila ng turnover. Masyado nagpanic itong si Humawas.
Would you do the same pala? Yun sa kaya ng sinabi ni Laura if you're the coach.
Well, yeah, talagang you have to make you have to improve the way you bring down the ball here. Limit your turnover.
Certifico, chance to cut the lead down to 8 here. 10 ang kanilang hinahabol. Vidal, deflecting that pass. 5, stolen by Carpio. Vidal, tuloy-tuloy. He was fouled. And he will go to the free throw line.
Good steal by Sting Carpio, finding Vidal on the left side. Yan talagang kailangan mong gawin. Ibigay sa higher percentage, giving them the opportunity na makakuha ng 2 free throws. Mas-set up yung half court or yung full court trap nila at mas makapag-force pa ng madaming turnovers if they want to win this game at mas lumamang pa sila dito.
And Vidal will shoot his first free throw, taking a deep breath. And he makes the first one.
Again, the struggle is still here para sa New York as they are forced na i-continue na tumira sa labas and andun na din kasi yung intimidation factor dito kay Vidal at sa ibang bigs netong Davao Eaglets.
And but if you notice, the second time around, parang ganun din yung play. Vidal running the floor, siya yung sana ang mag-finish and he gets the foul there.
Oo, and these are very important lessons para dito sa mga big men.
Derami attacks. Walang mapuntahan. Nandun si Vidal and si Gol. Lucero nakawala. Vidal!
Wow! Look at that shimmy from Floyd Lucero. Naiwan yung bantay. Nag-collapse. Etong si Humawas finds Vidal dun sa dunker spot.
Side to Humawas. Anong gagawin? Masyadong malaki si Vidal. Yung pasa, nawala.
Pero walang problema.
Oh!
Wow! And I was telling you earlier, partner, itong si Floyd Lucero talaga yung spark dito ng Davao Eaglets. His ability to create opportunities for his teammates as Humawas. Very important na ilabas si Vidal dito sa zona nila.
Come a little closer. If they convert, here's Certifico. Inside to Humawas. Masyadong mataas yung pasa. Vidal securing it. Here's Lucero now.
Are working wonders para dito sa Davao Eaglets. For some reason, New York still struggling to adjust to sa offense na yun.
Eto nga. Everything is perfect for
Collapsing inside the paint, forcing itong Davao Eaglets to take those outside shots.
almost a steal. At eto na nga. And we head on over to our courtside reporter, Flor Barmoga.
Effort para dito sa Davao Eaglets as they really make a stop and prioritizing those clogging yung driving lane.
Lucero, recovers it. The pass to Vidal at sumabit si Binabay.
Oh man. But that's the question diba? Na how are you gonna stop itong si Vidal, itong si Singcol, Floyd Lucero, diba? Whenever they attack, it's gonna be hard and kailangan ma-figure out ng mga coaches as well as the players kung paano malilimit itong mga batang to without fouling.
For eto, tapos na ang ating 13 under championship game. Microsmith or Davao Eagles, Microsmith bagging the trophy here. Good game. Good first championship game. At as we look at the final score here, 88 against 60, a commanding 28-point advantage here for Davao Eaglets, Microsmith Elite.
Kasi excited po kami na nanalo po kami ngayon dahil pinaghirapan po namin po ito ngayon. Wala pang shoutout pa.